Hello everyone, welcome to this short video in which I will show you how to install the Scrap Mechanic Interoperability mod, or sm.interop for short. To install it, you need to go to the Scrap Mechanic workshop on Steam and search for sm.interop. Click subscribe, and after your download has completed, go to library, right click on Scrap Mechanic, and then go to Manage and click Browse Local Files. This window will open. Then in the path bar, go to Steam Apps, then click Workshop, open the Content folder, and then open this folder, which is the folder for Scrap Mechanic. Then make sure that you are sorted by last modified and open this folder 21, 23, 22, 21, 34, which is the folder for sm.interop. Then double click the install batch file. This will copy the necessary files into the Scrap Mechanic data folder and install the sm.interop mod. Now that the mod has been installed, you can open Scrap Mechanic. To verify that the mod has been installed successfully, you can create a new creative world and select the sm.interop mod, then click play. If you see the mod tool loader appear in your inventory, this means that the sm.interop mod has successfully been installed. Thank you for watching.